There are people who say that the Earth is flat, and that the Earth is surrounded by the Antarctic ice mountains. And in front of them, there are people who say that the Earth is spherical, and they are entirely against this group. Today we will examine the arguments of these two groups. People who say the Earth is flat and people who say the Earth is spherical. In the 1950s, a fringe community was formed that insisted the Earth was flat, which led to the formation of proponents of the modern flat Earth theory. These believers claim that the Earth is like a flat disk and that evidence that it is round, such as pictures taken from space, is a hoax on the part of various governments. Opinions vary on how a flat Earth works, and proponents of the theory juggle versions of physics and creative interpretations of the solar system to prove their theories. A 2017 national survey by Public Policy Polling found that 1% of Americans believe the Earth is flat, and 6% said they were not sure. The main theory of flat earthers is that the Earth is a disk with an Arctic Circle at its center and a South Pole, an ice wall around its edge. They say that NASA employees protect this wall of ice to prevent people from climbing and falling off the disk. Flat Earth conspiracy theorist Nathan Thompson approached a man he said was a NASA employee at Starbucks in mid-May 2017, given their skepticism about NASA. In a video posted on YouTube, Thompson, the founder of the official Flat Earth and Planet Earth discussion page, yelled at the man that he has proof that the Earth is flat and that the astronaut drowning in his proof and that NASA is lying. We're going to discuss some arguments of this group. The lights which are exhibited in lighthouses are seen by Navi. The light at Cape Hatteras is seen at such a distance 40 miles that, according to theory, it ought to be 900 feet higher above the level of the sea than it absolutely is, in order to be visible. This is a conclusive proof that there is no curvature on the level of the sea.
Did you notice any curvature while we were up there?
Curvature? No.
No? There's no curvature?
It's just all flat.
Hey, I just want to say thanks for the smooth flight. Is there like a specific angle of downward tilt you have to fly at?
3 degrees.
3 degrees for the curvature of the Earth?
Oh, for the Earth?
Because, yeah.
No, we just fly over the troposphere.
Because I was reading some stuff on the Flat Earth that made a lot of sense. Have you looked into it?
Which one? Sorry.
I was reading a lot of stuff on the Flat Earth.
Okay, yeah. True.
It's true?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right, cool.
All
Hey,
right.
God bless, brother.
All right. Have a good one.
Furthermore, they say that Earth's gravity is an illusion. Objects do not accelerate downwards. Instead, Earth's disk is accelerating upward at 9.8 meters per second, driven upward by a mysterious force called dark energy. Currently, there is disagreement among flat earthers as to whether or not Einstein's theory of relativity allows the Earth to accelerate upward indefinitely without the planet eventually exceeding the speed of light. What lies beneath the disc-shaped Earth is still unknown. But most flat earthers believe that the disk is composed of rock. It is worth noting that all of the above is quite controversial even in the flat Earth community. None of us believe we're a flying pancake in space. Davidson told CNN in a 2019 article, he said that at international flat Earth conferences, it is more common to believe that space does not exist at all and that the Earth's disk is fixed. According to The Guardian, one speaker at the 2018 FEIC conference even argued that the Earth is neither a sphere nor a disk, but diamond-shaped. The opinions of these people are different about the Moon. Some believe that although the Earth is flat, the Moon and the Sun are spherical. With this view of the solar system, the Earth's day-night cycle is explained by assuming that the Sun and the Moon are 32-51 Kelvin spheres that move in circles 3,000 miles 4,828 Kelvin above the surface of the Earth. They say that the stars move at a level 4,988 km above the Earth. In this society, the emergence of seasons is considered as follows. The Sun moves in a conical orbit during 1 year. When the Sun moves away from the North Pole, winter occurs in the northern half and summer in the southern half. And when it goes from the southern half to the northern half, winter occurs in the southern half and summer occurs in the northern half. But what do the supporters of the spherical Earth say? One of the reasons for this group of ships disappearing on the horizon is that first the hull of the ship and then the mast of the ship goes below the line of sight. If the ground is flat, it should gradually move away and become smaller. All the planets are spherical. Why should the Earth only be flat? What is the reason? In fact, the Earth's gravity exerts force on all objects and pulls them towards the center, which makes the Earth take on a spherical shape. In the 6th century BC, the Greeks discovered that the Earth is spherical, and the Greek scientist Pythagoras stated that the Earth is spherical. For the first time, they accurately measured the circumference of the Earth, the size of the Moon, and the distance between them. Although they mistakenly believed that the Earth is a fixed sphere around which the world revolves, some of their ideas and methods of observation were used until the end of the 17th century. Eratosthenes' Greek mathematicians conducted an experiment in about 100 or 200 BC. He noticed that on the first day of summer, the sun shone right at the end of a well in the area of modern Aswan in Egypt. And this means that the sun is exactly above the sky. At the same time, in Alexandria, which was 800 Kelvin away from Aswan, the sunlight had created an angular shadow with it. This means that not only is the sun far away, but the Earth is spherical, so this happens. But this group has other reasons for their arguments. For example, they say that if the Earth was flat, you would see it in a line. The lights which are exhibited in lighthouses are seen by Navi. The light at Cape Hatteras is seen at such a distance 40 miles that or if the Earth were flat, there would be one season everywhere on Earth. Also, if the Earth was flat, you would see the same constellations from all parts of the Earth. But we know that in a spherical Earth, you will see different stars wherever you are on the Earth. In a flat Earth, as far as we move away from the center, the rain falls horizontally. And they say that if it is the Earth, all the waters of the Earth should gather in the center of the Earth and create a big sea mountain, and the edges of the Earth would be in that case. What do you think? Is the Earth flat or round? Which group's arguments are more reliable? Which of these arguments did you accept before watching this video, and which do you accept now? Finally, I would like to thank you very much for liking and subscribing to our channel.